The father of chemistry was Amenhotep. Chemistry was watered down. Alchemy. So part of what they meant to say was Father Alchemy. A great architect that was also known as one of the earliest Grand Master Masons. You know? So he built the first, you know what I'm saying, cone-shaped pyramid. You understand? And Khufu and Khafre were the builders of the pyramids of Giza. Right? So we just gotta get things straight a little bit. So metaphysics, you know what I'm saying, explains what is beyond the physical. Because in the subconscious mind, you know, many people acknowledge and they know that there is something beyond the physical. You know what I'm saying? They acknowledge. But they're taught to look at it as some damn ghost, you know what I'm saying, or something that you can't see in outer space. They didn't realize that it was metaphysical in the sense of where we had to acknowledge and study or how to implicate an existence that is beyond the physical existence. Because for those, you know what I'm saying, who astral plane, you know what I'm saying, or those who are able to shape shift, people are doing this all around Africa. They're shape shifting. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted. They're still doing a lot of this stuff on the continent. You know what I'm saying? Still got dodons, you know, astral planes. Believe it or not, they ain't gonna tell you this stuff, but yeah, just go down. You know what I'm saying? I mean, come on. You know not to learn anything from him. He ain't gonna tell you what's really going on. He got you so he got people here so far as they are, so they won't know what's going on. Knowledge is the power. Once the Holy Spirit is power, you know what I'm saying? He gotta have the sacred knowledge hidden. You know what I mean? But how did he prevent you from learning the sacred knowledge? Brainwashing you into thinking that it's evil. So, witchcraft, evil. Voodoo, evil. Astrology, evil. Tarot reading, evil. You know what I'm saying? All this stuff, you know what I'm saying, that help you reach your destiny. The true metaphysical science, that associated with true metaphysical science, he tell you that it's evil. And then you're taught about the esoteric. But then when you hear about his Luciferian sponsored organization that they call Masonry, which is not original Masonry, but European Masonry, they tell you that they are demonic. So you hear that they are demonic, which is true. A lot of them are demonic and satanic. You know, since they are demonic and they practice the esoteric, you know what I'm saying, to use evil, then you go ahead and assume that the esoteric is evil. Now, knowing that that was yours, it's just been corrupted. You understand? But it wasn't evil. Because the alchemists, you know what I'm saying, use natural remedies, such as tree leaves, you know what I'm saying, flowers, herbs, and they know the mystic and metaphysical energy behind certain of these plants. You know, one of the main ones that they used to use to astral plane was a common plant known to our brothers of Colombia, Peru, and Brazil. It was called ayahuasca. Ayahuasca. It's like it's a liquid herb, and they would take this, you know what I'm saying, to produce certain neurochemical molecules properties in the brain. You know what I'm saying? Such as an alkaloid. I mean, they'll do this, you know what I'm saying, to heighten their conscience. And this herb that they used was known as Yajin tea. Yajin tea. You know, and they used to perform certain ceremonies, you know, that gave them astral vision and astral travel. You feel me? So this is the type of stuff, you know what I'm saying, that we was using our metaphysics for. what I'm saying, we're using our metaphysics, you know what I'm saying, to basically, you know, have vision, you know, the astral world, you know what I'm saying, to be able to travel, you know what I'm saying, to the astral world. You understand? But today, it is being used to oppose that. Today, they use it, you know, it's not us, but them. You know, the man who corrupts every damn thing. The one who just can't get his shit right when it comes to moral excellence. You know what I'm saying? They used it, you know what I'm saying, on days where all the demonic spirits was released, feel me, to oppress people. The main science they use, this is their main weapon of science that they use to oppress people. And it is psychology. It is psychology. So now whenever you fall into the matrix, just know that you is letting somebody psychologically defeat you. You got to start looking at it that way. You know what I'm saying? Because it's the war of the psyches right now. The wars of the minds. Feel me? They had to keep you in physical bondage in the beginning. You know, in order to get your mind. And then when they had your mind, that's the patient proclamation to declare. What is that? If I have his mind, if I have their mind, they're mine. You understand? So the biggest oppression of slavery here in the Western Hemisphere was psychological oppression. Psychological oppression. You understand? Well, if you read The Secret Doctrine, Volume 1, page, you know what I'm saying, 318, there's an excerpt by H.P. Blavatsky, which I will quote. The whole cycle of the universe, mystery language, will not be mastered for whole centuries to come. Even that which has been hereto discovered in the Bible by some scholars is quite sufficient to demonstrate the claim mathematically. So what she's saying that, you know, for a whole cycle, you know, whole centuries to come, the universe mystery language, which is mathematics, will not be embraced. Even those who discover the Bible, refer to themselves as scholars, won't be able to really understand it because they don't know how to demonstrate the mathematical claims. You understand? So when you look at that book, it's all numbers, you know, from verses, chapters. Every single sentence have a number. All of that is mathematical computation. We know how to apply, study, and examine that. That is codes, you know what I'm saying, the higher messages, higher understanding. So just know that mathematics, you know what I'm saying, is a different aspect of even, you know what I'm saying, this type of communication. You know what I'm saying? You could describe certain formulas. You could describe, you know what I'm saying, certain events, you know what I'm saying, with just a mathematical computation. Or, you know, I know too many people probably done lost me right here. But there's another metaphysical branch that's been neglected, you know, in public society. Sacred geometry.